It's nice to see you again in this video. So now, if you are facing this problem whereby when you go on and you turn on your VPN, you do not see your IP address appear. So now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how we can fix that so that you'll be able to see your IP address of your Tanzilo or for your VPN. At times, this is better when you go on and you turn on your VPN when you are walking around with labs. It is easier for you to just look up here and you see your labs. So when I upgraded my Kali Linux, I happened to see that I couldn't see my IP address here. But in case you are facing the same problem, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So currently I'm on VPN book. I'm going to go on and just get any server that I could use here. So let me just go on and get this one from Germany, and I'm going to go on and download this Open VPN file. So it has been downloaded on my machine. When you scroll down, these are the credentials that we do have. So I'm going to just go on and open up my terminal, and we start up this VPN, and you are going to see that our IP address is not going to be displayed up here, and we are going to set that. So I'm going to move to my directory for downloads, and I need to go on and set up my Open VPN. So just go on and say sudo Open VPN, then the VPN is called VPN book. Going to press tab, and the one that we downloaded was from Germany, and this is the first one. So I'm going to press enter, then going to go on and type in my password. So here they ask us for the username. We are going to come and use this, and this is our password. So I'm going to go on and write VPN book as the username. Press enter, then I'm going to press tab, then type in my password. So it is KE9ZW7 So if I press enter, here you are going to see that our VPN will be started up, and when you try to see, we have sequence completed. So when I go on and divide up my terminal, I can go on and say IP DDR, then we can, let me just call this and grabbing out. So if you see here, we have Tanzilo, and this is our IP address from our VPN. Now, to be sure that our VPN is working and our information is secure, I'm going to go on and open up the DNS link test and what is my IP.com. So when you try to see here, this is what is my IP.com, and here our information is going to be returned back. So when you try to see here, I'm going to first cancel this, refresh, and if we come back this side, let me also refresh this so that we receive correct information. But when you try to see, our IP wasn't displayed up, so this is what we are going to do to make sure that it is displayed up. So I want you to move to cd/usr/share/Kali themes. So it's going to be Kali themes, and press enter. So when you go on and list our information here, you are going to see this file. So in a case on your system you don't have this file, I'll be leaving the codes in the description. So let me just go on and open up this file with VI so that you see what we have inside here. So if I press enter, this is the piece of code that we do have within this file. In case you don't have this, check in the description, I'll be leaving this code. So let me go on and exit outside of this. So now we need to configure our panel so that the IP address is displayed up there. Now I'm going to come up here, right click, come to panel, then come to panel preferences. So if you press enter, we are going to come here to items, then scroll down a bit, make sure you come and click here on our generic monitor. So if we tap on this, I want you to come and tap on this sign here. Now you'll see that we shall have our pop-up here. Now this is where they ask us to type in our command. So I'm going to come back to my terminal and I'm going to write pwd. So all I need is the path and this file. So I'm going to just go on and copy this path, come back to this, paste this here. Now that is the path. Now we need to get the file. So I'm going to come and highlight also this file, copy, we come back and paste it there. So before you close this, make sure you turn off this label and click save. Right away you see that our IP address has been pressed up there, and if you tap on it, it will be copied right away. And if I come here, I can press Ctrl Shift V to paste this in our terminal. So here you'll be able to see your IP address in case you do start up your VPN. So if we come back to our browser, you see that this is our IP address from DNS link test, and it will be a bit similar to what we shall have here in what is myip.com. And when you try to see here, they say that we are in Frankfurt. So I'm not in this country, or I'm not in Germany. So you see that we've successfully worked on this little problem. So in case you are interested to see more videos like this, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Peace.